Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It's me, Dr. Zishan Wahab from Doctorspharma channel. I hope you are doing well. Today, our topic of discussion is amazing facts about human blood. So, we all know about human blood. Blood is basically a circulatory fluid or reddish brown fluid that circulates inside the blood vessels of the cardiovascular system. What is called the river of life? The river of life is called the blood. The human blood our blood circulation is first discovered by William Harvey. What is the normal pH of the human blood? That is about 7.35 to 7.4. What is the normal adult blood volume of the human body? That is about 5 to 6 liters. What is the normal components of the human blood? Blood basically consists of two components. One is the blood cells and the other one is the fluid portion, which is called the blood plasma. The blood cells consist of red blood cells, white blood cells and platelets. What is the normal lifespan of red blood cells? That is about 120 days. Plasma protein basically consists of many proteins. For example, the most common proteins are fibrinogen, globulin and albumins. Plasma protein that has an active role in blood clotting is called fibrinogen. Plasma protein that function as antibodies, that is called globulin, and plasma protein that maintain a blood pH is called albumin. Biconcave disc-shaped blood cell is called the red blood cells. Non-nucleated cells in the blood is called RBC or red blood cells. The red pigment or respiratory pigment in the red blood cell is called hemoglobin. Red blood cell is produced in the bone marrow. Iron containing pigment of red blood cell is called heme. Plasma protein containing pigment of red blood cell is called globin. The graveyard of blood is called the spleen, or graveyard of red blood cell is called the spleen. The blood bank in the human body is called the spleen. Total count of RBC is measured by an instrument known as hemocyatometer. A decrease in red blood cell count is known as anemia. An increase in the red blood cell count is known as polycythemia. Bilirubin, which is the waste product of RBC, a high concentration of bilirubin causes jaundice. Disease-resistant cells of the human body is called white blood cell. Which white blood cell is called the soldier of the human body? That is neutrophils. The largest white blood cells in the human body is monocytes. The smallest white blood cells in the human body or human blood is lymphocytes. Antibodies producing white blood cell is called lymphocytes. The normal lifespan of white blood cell is about 10 to 15 days. The blood cells that has an active role in blood clotting is known as platelets. Blood clot that is formed inside the blood vessel is called the thrombus. A hereditary bleeding disease which is most common in female, that is hemophilia. A bleeder disease that is also called hemophilia, which is known as the Christmas disease, that is hemophilia. A type of anemia with sickle-shaped red blood cell is known as sickle cell anemia. The normal viscosity of the human blood is about 4.5 to 5.5. Who demonstrated blood groups? That is called Landsteiner. Blood group which is called the universal donor, that is called blood group O. Blood group which is called the universal recipient, that is called the blood group AB. Blood group which is most common among the Asian, that is blood group B.